Hi guys, what's up? I am back with another video. In this video I'm gonna do a review on the Apple AirPods. Does the Apple AirPods worth in 2018? As you guys know, the Apple AirPods came in October 2016 after the Apple event. So let's see, does they worth in 2018? So first of all, I'm gonna unbox these AirPods. As you guys can see, this is the box of the AirPods. There is an Apple logo over here, AirPods here, and some instructions on the back, as you guys can see. So let's open it. I'm gonna unbox it. So first of all, we have some paperwork, some manual, some instructions of the AirPods, as you guys can see, and some languages, etc. Now let's put this aside and let's come to the main beauty, the fascinating AirPods. As you guys can see in my hands, it's been 2 years I'm using it, and they sound really good. There's a lightning connected port on the back, the touch connectivity button over here. Now I'm gonna open these AirPods. Guys, they have the perfect shape, they have the perfect size. Yep, as you guys can see, they look damn good. These are the best AirPods. Yep guys, they have the best sound quality in the world. I've used Beats for a long time, but comparing to my AirPods, the AirPods are very good. So now I'm gonna show you how to connect these AirPods to your iPhone, the old phones. The phone which I'm using is an iPhone 6, which is currently running iOS 11. Yep, I have not updated my iPhone to the latest firmware, which is iOS 12. I have heard that the iOS 12 increases the speed the application of the speed by 70%. So yep, it's a good upgrade. I suggest you guys to do it, but I will make a review on the iOS 12, then I will update my iPhone 6. So guys, I suggest you to upgrade your iPhone 6 or whichever phone you have to iOS 12 because it increases its speed. So let's see how to connect these AirPods with your old iPhones. So first of all, open these AirPods. You know, on iPhone 7, on iPhone 6s or iPhone 7 or all the above phones which are above iPhone 6, there's a pop-up option on there, but there is no such case on the Apple iPhone 6. So I have to connect them manually. Let's go to settings, Bluetooth. Yep, these are my AirPods, and now I'm gonna show you how good they sound. So let's play a song. Where is my music applications? I think you guys can hear the sound quality is too good after 2 years. So what can I say? I suggest you guys to buy it. Their price for, I suggest, $150. So I suggest you guys to buy these AirPods because they are the best. I'm only using the left AirPod because the battery of my right AirPod is a little bit low. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Guys, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and comment down in the comment section what do you think about this video. Please give your review. Thank you.